at ecom.org.sz.
Right, we are going to cap things off with our last interview segment now. There is one truth in life that needs no debate. Your health is your wealth. But in a world of soaring medical aid, or rather medical costs really, as well as unpredictable illnesses, protecting that wealth requires more than luck. But it requires foresight, it requires trust and the right partner. Now this morning, we bring the spotlight to an institution that is working tirelessly behind the scenes to make healthcare more accessible, making it more reliable and more human, importantly. Representing Lidwala Medical Aid, I'm joined by someone who knows the pulse of the people and the promise of the service. Customer Service Consultant, Nomblelo Smelana. Welcome, Guni. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thanks.
I'm doing all right myself. Couldn't be happier today to have this conversation with you because health indeed is wealth, and we have been seeing a lot of conversation around the Kingdom of Eswatini, around issues of medical aid in particular. Some people in hot soup, but Lidwala Insurance seems to be, giving people what they really, really need. But before we understand the benefits, all those nuts and bolts, let's perhaps understand the premise of Lidwala Insurance. We understand every medical aid, just like every other foundation, has to have a foundation of principles and values that guide them. Who is Lidwala Insurance? What are these principles and values that guide you?
Okay. Lidwala Medical Aid, it's a medical aid that has been in the medical space for over 2 years now. Actually, we will be celebrating 3 years in July.
Okay.
Yes. Lidwala Medical Aid is licensed and authorized by FSRA.
Okay.
Yes. Our core values are around accountability, yes, agility, and then high quality service.
Yeah.
Yes.
I also do understand, and this, I suppose, is an overarching sort of reality for medical aids, that there isn't a one-size-fits-all. People are different. So are families, so are individuals, and people that have retired, really, all with unique healthcare needs. So the million-dollar question, or million emalangeni question, then becomes, what types of plans as well as coverage options does Lidwala Medical Aid offer to its members?
Okay. So Lidwala Medical Aid offers a different range, as usho ukuthi ema needs ethu awafanani. Sinema needs lakalungela umuntu longena as an individual, longena ngefamily yakhe, nalongena sekakhulile. So lama plans ethu nawo ayayahluke, sina nema plans lakabane inpatient lokusho ukuthi uthola isito now admitiwe, siphindze sibe nale nema outpatient lo ma day to day akho ukuthi uhambile kumbe wa consult noma udiyele wayothatha medication wathenga tibuko, siyakhona ukuthi ema members ethu sibanike lokho. Kube nalenye member lethi yona no ayisiyo legula gulako, yendela nje ukuthi just in case ifuna kusitakala sekuthi uthole ingoti sothi admission, sinayo leyo plan lesibita ngokuthi i-hospital plan, la uthola khona ungathola up to 700,000 wale admission. Nakhona nasithi i-hospital plan akusho ukuthi usitakala nje now admitiwe kuphela, sibese thine singulidwala sesiyayiqwalisa lena khunja yethu siyenda ibe nemsoco ukuthi kulo hospital plan uyakhona nje ukuthola mental health understanding lesidingo sekuthi uke uyohlala phansi nje utihamule, also uyakhona nekuthi nasekwendeka so yashiya emhlabeni ube uyimember yethu i-families, excuse me, siyakhona ukuthi sikhalele nga 20,000 kule hospital plan. Yes. Also ukhanza ukuthi lo munye umuntu sekukhona ukugula nje lasaphila nako lesokumenda athathe i-medication njalo njalo lesikubita ngeke ukuthi i-chronic illness, kuyona le hospital plan uyakhona ukuthi ungaba kukhona i-allocation ye-medication. sisese lapho futhi kunemuntu ke lo munye lothi ngiyafuna le hospital plan umuntu kumbe lo sesemusha athi kune possibility ukuthi ngingadikhanza futhi ngingumuntu lo tawuhamba aye kuyobeleka which is maternity kule hospital plan la tawuthi uyayifuna utawukhona kokuthi a-admitwe akhone kubeleka phinze bese sokuthi angisiye nami futhi umuntu logulako so lama allocations lalapha kulo premium na base angeke mina aze angisebentele ngoba angisiye umuntu lodzinga tibuko ngidaba ne benefit lengeke ngize ngienjoy so ngifuna info ke leningangipha yona letawenda ukuthi ku outpatient jami ifike itsintse lesidingo sami so lapho ke ubese utawuba nale portion lengishitwe ukuthi i-hospital plan plus ema savings etfuke maningi aqala ku level 1 ayofika ku level 8 so bese sinasakhulumisana nawe ke as imember yethu ukuthi okay uthwena ungalungelwa yini njengalana nje ngidawubekisa ukuthi athi member hayi angisiye lo tayitsinga kakhulu simthathe simbeke ku level 4 lokusho ukuthi so tawuba na 700,000 plus everything lesengiyimentionile bese soba na 6,000 la tamsebenzisa ku outpatient angaconsulta ngayo le mali angahamba kumba yoclean ematinyo ku dentist angakhona nekokuthi ayothatha ema blood test and ebo x-ray.
Okay, fantastic. Yes. Now, I'm never one to sort of celebrate or gloat over Gukula, right. But I love the practical example that you make of prescription classes because the both of us wear prescription classes, so yeah. I feel at home, I don't feel like the odd one out, but I do realize that my frame is not as beautiful as yours. Yeah. Would you say you got yours from enjoying the Dweller's benefits?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. And I guess that's enough to, convince someone at home who has visual impairments like me and you to really come and knock on the doors of Lidwala. But another reality is that competition is fierce.
Right.
Perhaps right now in the kingdom of Eswatini, not so much. You guys are enjoying, a really, really non-competitive playing field when we look at the headlines that we've been seeing over the past few weeks. I'm just being spicy. Anyway, providers seem to promise the world, but only if you really truly deliver the value, the consistency and the care that goes beyond the paperwork. So tell me, what makes Lidwala Medical Aid stand out from other medical aid providers?
Okay. Masibuyela kancane nje nangichaza ukuthi thine konke lesikwendako sikwenda around lama values ethu lafaka bo agility
accountability.
Yes. So kuloko ngiko lokusende sakhona kokuthi because masicala nje kulidwala medical aid saqala ngema plans lamancane but we are growing as ema members ethu asiniketa ifeedback ukuthi maybe if you can do this singakujabulela asithi singathola information isilale nayo past we go back to the drawing board sifike sibukisane and then bese sesiyabuya ke ukuthi sibasita kanjani kule tidzingo labathi banato so kubala nje a few lesikwenda ngekwehluka thina sinanakulo sithi i-zero co-payment i-co-payment ngiyayichaza nje kancane ngiloko ukuthi na uhamba uthi uya kuyosebenzisa ikhadi lakho let me say uye pharmacy uphethwe ngumkhuhlane naku sothi asengithathe na iBenylin na ifika iBenylin ithi 150 lokusitako afike athathe ikhadi ashaye nakafika athi medical aid wakho utakubhadalela 120 30 malangeni so tawuphuma ekhikhini lakho so shothi soya top up wena kulo medical aid wakho sineke singulidwala sithi hayi phela member wethu uze uta nje utowenda medical aid ngiloko ukuthi langa asadzinga kusebenzisa akasafuni phela ukuthi so uphinze sokhipha imali ekhikhini yethu uphethe nelicard so sine sithi zero co-payment as long as you have that benefit rest assured ukuthi utawusitakala without le co-payment. Yes. And oh, sorry.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
Let me not disturb you.
Okay. And kunanakulo ukuthi medical aid usebenda ngalesikhathi sowugula so yothatha i-medication lidwala uthi ungakhona ukuthatha ima supplement using your medical aid lokusho ukuthi naku nje nyalo isizini eyaqala emakhada siyakhwehlela sithamba uthathe vitamin C ugwinye wendele ukuthi noma sekufika isikhathi sekuthi umkhuhlane uthi uyeda uyakunyonyobela akhanze ukuthi wena sowutizamile watiboost.
Now, I understand all of that, and it sounds beautiful, but it's one thing to have cover, and it's another to know where it works.
Yeah.
And, of course, there's the hospital bedside, and sometimes private healthcare where the stakes are even higher there. So which private hospitals accept Litwala Medical Aid?
Okay. Sinengcumbi kulama private hospitals nje la kakhona la kaNgwane cishe onke I am accepta Litwala Medical Aid. Ngidawuza manje kuwabala ngendele lo bukelako abone ukuthi nangena eLitwala Medical Aid nadi dibhedlela la katnaye futhi ufamily nato le dibhedlela. So kuna clinic group lokungumbabane clinic, Matsapa Healthcare naManzini clinic. Siphinze eZulwini sinaye eZulwini private hospital uyalithatha likhadi la Litwala. Sibe na Medicine, sibe na Mkiwa, phinze sibe na women and children ngile dibhedlela letinkulu. Kulama small clinics noma le kunama independent doctors sinabo bo Dr. Mnisi bayamthatha Litwala, Dr. Mathunjwa eManzini Healthcare nakula la njengoba sibekuse ngetibuko nje lesifakwa ngimnawe uyakhona kusebenzisa Litwala kuye Specsavers uyothola tibuko Vision Care also ke nasekuthiwa ke so uyatiyela wena over the counter uyakhona kuthola ePharmacy uyakhona kuthola imedication eClicks uyakhona nekuya ku Sound Health just to name a few.
Okay.
Yes.
I want us to talk about emergencies, and emergencies are very funny because they do not have a calendar invite. Oftentimes they come uninvited, and most of the time it's the worst times, if we're being honest. And that's when medical aid provider like you proves their worth. So I ask you, what kind of support does Litwala provide for its members in a time of medical emergencies or when they need specialized care, really?
Okay. With Litwala Medical Aid, sebenza 24/7. My line aid for sebenza 24/7.
Even at 1 a.m., at 3 a.m.,
yes, anytime.
24/7. That's the definition of 24/7.
Yes, even my ambulances at 24/7. So if we receive a call, we see there is a member we call the ambulance yetfu sixhumanise naloyo losishayele ikhone kumthatha iyombeka kuleyo facility la katsinga kuya khona.
Okay, it seems we have run out of time, and since ukhuluma ngekuxhumanisa, just quickly baxhumana njani nani bantu emakhaya ngicabanga ukuthi sobasomile sebakuvile.
Okay, kufika.
Please look straight to that camera and tell them.
Okay, so mawufuna kufika eLitwala ungakhona kufika kaManzini head office ethu Sivuno building 7th floor eMbabane sise corporate place, and then nawufuna kusitfola eTinqingweni from Mbabane ungashaya 2404-9933 kaManzini ungashaya 2508-5650, and then for customer service a line it's 799-2002.
All right. No, thank you. That's Nombulelo Similane. She's the customer service consultant at Litwala Insurance. So I suppose that's the idea that they have, and it seems they will really give you everything that they promise you, and it's exactly what you need in a time of emergency, in a time of kukula, and in a time like on opilile, and you might need it. You don't know. Let's go for a break. We'll be back shortly to wrap up the show.